Stretch band dorsiflexion engages strong ankles. Here the single leg swing can help with balance is already limited. The practice.
Hello, welcome back. This is TerraLellagram here with another telegram of information. Now, as an intermediate myself, self-taught, I use these techniques and these exercises to help transfer into the ice skating on ice. But the exercises I'm going to share with you are going to be off ice. It will utilize a resistance band. If you have one, if you don't, you could always use a dumbbell in placement of these resistance bands. So for training to be better on ice, here are some off ice exercises.
Hello? You ready? All right, let's go.
Here the single leg swing can help with balance and stability because you are practicing moving forcefully on one leg while at the same time engaging your core. It helps identify what muscles need correcting. For me, it helps me consciously engaging my hips and feet/ankle to manage my knee valgus, aka knock knees. Specifically with spinning, you are practicing resisting force of the leg swing while you are pulling your leg in to complete the ice spin. The heel raise exercise improves ankle stretch, keeps your base of support stable, and enhances balance. If your ankles are supporting your weight and ankle is confined within the boot, ankle movement is already limited. The practice will help stretch the ankle. The single leg glute bridge improves glute, core, legs, and hip. It helps stabilize the pelvis and extends the hip. When you're skating, hips have to be aligned. Almost had it. Just have to hold the one leg and use my glutes and core longer through the spin. Simply put, the single leg jump exercise mimics single leg jumping on ice, so when you get off one foot from your jump, your single leg stance has already been worked on through practice, like a waltz jump. Stretch band dorsiflexion engages strong ankles to support our weight when we land from a jump. Strong dorsiflexion helps us have safer landing. Dorsiflexion is activated when our knees are over our toes and the back leg is extended behind us during a stride. Single leg deadlift helps with balance, stability, and gluteus maximus strength. Since the lower body is used throughout skating, hamstrings will need to be activated with her to catch your fall or prevent it. The posterior chain is strengthened and activated to keep your glides strong. Similar to single leg glute bridge, but specifically for going backwards. Your hips, glutes, and lower body are worked to stay actively engaged during strides and orientation of the backwards movement and positioning. This is working muscle memory. Proper posture is also practiced so your pelvis and spine are aligned and back is straight, not bent. Standing calf stretch enhances flexibility and strength of calves. Ankle dorsiflexion for support on one-foot variations. This also recovers those muscles after intense calf and ankle work on one or both feet. Builds strength in calves to work along other muscles like glutes, adductors, tibialis, and soleus.
Now there are so many other exercises you can be doing that can help mimic the actual movements that you take on ice. These are just some of the simpler ones for maybe if you're a beginner or if you're intermediate but want to, kind of add some more exercises and stretches to your daily practice. That would be awesome, right? So I hope you enjoyed these. I look forward to making more. I have my handy dandy notebook full of ideas. If there are any other exercises that are awesome that I could actually help myself in, because I want to be amazing at skating, right? And so do you. This has been a TerraLellagram of information